Good morning students. So today we are going to see 5th class term 2 English. Already we have completed our poem. Now we will see the objective. So our poem name is From a Railway Carriage. Now we will see the objective. So here first bit is we have to fill the blanks. The train is faster than ferries and witches. Already we have seen this line in the poem. The train moves forward like a troop or soldiers. Troop means soldiers. The horses and cattle are in the meadow. The station passes by in the wink of an eye. The people mentioned in the poem are child and a tramp. Tramp means a homeless person. So next one is we have to tick the suitable phrases. So before going to tick the suitable phrases, we will see what is a phrase. A phrase is a group of words that has a particular meaning. So phrase means a group of words that has a particular meaning or a correct meaning and forms a part of sentence, and it has a particular meaning and it forms a part of sentence. A phrase can never be a complete sentence. So a phrase will not be a complete sentence. It will not be a complete sentence. Example, in the drawer on Saturday during the vacation. A phrase does not have a verb. So here again they are saying that a phrase does not have a verb. Verb means an action. A phrase can be changed into sentence by adding some words to it. So a phrase means it can be changed in the sentence by adding some words to it. So here, a rabbit has a fluffy coat. The cat chased the mouse around the house. She lived in Chennai in an old house. He shouted for help in a loud voice. She waited at the bus stop for her friend. Never tell a lie even for fun. Here we have seen that a phrase can be changed into a sentence by adding some words. So here we are adding some words to the sentences. So they are called phrases. So our next bit is choose the suitable words from the box to make a phrase. So they have given some words. We have to, by using these words, we have to make a phrase. A scoop of ice cream down this road. A pinch of salt, my uncle's car. Slow but steady, up in the air. Clear blue sky. A red and black dress. So next bit is fill in the blanks with the short form of these words. So they have given some words. We have to use the short forms. Here you can see we use short forms in speech. We normally do not use them in formal writing. Example, I am. Here we are using I am in the writing, but in speeches we will use I am. Here short form I am. Cannot, can't. So likewise we have to make the short forms for these words. Is not, isn't, will not, won't, did not, didn't, we are, were, does not, doesn't, have not, haven't. So these are the bits of grammar. I hope you have understood this grammar. So today your homework is you have to write the short forms for these words. Thank you.